Job number 20195. This is called Pembrook Meadows. This is out here in Bellevue, 6619 114th Avenue Southeast. I walked with one of the board members and he wants a seal coat, crack fill, stripe, and he's got some asphalt repairs in here. This is a pretty big community and it would need to be done in phases. In this community, and as I pull into the entrance, this is one of two entrances. I'm on the north end, but it travels through and goes down to the south end. Let me show you a picture of what this layout is here. So I just came in on the north end off of Southeast 64th Street. That's one entrance, and it drives all the way through and exits out on Newcastle Way here. Okay, seal coat all around the drive aisle throughout the complex here, and I'll end up marking it on an aerial map where the boundaries are for the seal coating, because a lot of these driveways have concrete aprons, but as you can see, like right in here, it pulls in and has like a little turnaround spot that's asphalt. And then you got these little concrete aprons that go to their driveway. So I'll end up drawing that in for you so you know exactly the seal coat measurement. I'll probably even do the seal coat measurement myself. But as far as stall striping goes, there's different areas that I counted up stall striping. And those are the quantities there. 5 stalls in one location, 3 in another, 6 in another, 3, 7, and then 1. So those are all the different areas where I counted up parking stalls, and I'll show you roughly where they're at. I'll also pinpoint them on a map where the stalls are, but this is an area right here as well as over there. There's a stall here. As you come around this bend, there's some stall striping that I believe is up in this area, and then you get down here farther and there's some stall striping down here in this little area that you can turn around. Some other stall striping right in here. So I'll make sure I mark that. But you got those parking stalls, and then you've got some chevrons too. There's 2 chevrons so far. Well, at least you got another nice thing. I'm going to take you through here so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. You got the drive aisles here, curb and gutter, and then it goes to concrete aprons. They keep this neighborhood pretty clean. The board member went around and he marked all the areas of crack fill, which was totally cool for me. And I will give that on Google Drive, so the quantities for crack fill will be on there. Here's another area where they share a concrete apron. So that's why I have to draw it up on a map. You know, here you got a couple parking stalls that are up in this little area, and then it drives up to a concrete aprons. Same thing over here. So you get the picture. You got some asphalt coming off the main roads going to the aprons of each house. Like I said, it's going to be a few different phases in here to get this done, and we'll be able to come up with a plan to do that. They haven't done seal coating on these main drive aisles in forever. You could tell some areas have been seal coated, like on these little areas that go into the homes. Some of those have been seal coated, and maybe they did them themselves, but as far as an association here, I don't think they've ever done the main drive aisles. Here down on the southwest corner, as I was seeing on this map, can't really see here, but as I came in through the north and I'm driving around, I'm all the way down here to this corner. There's some more parking stalls right there, as you can see. There's 5 of them there. I already gave you the quantities. Like I said, it's pretty clean. Here's the south entrance off Newcastle Way coming in. So there's access to get in and out of this place, even if we shut down some of the drive aisles. So here's Southeast 67th place, and you'll see there's crack fill, or not crack fill, there's alligator cracking in this area. So I took a picture of this exact area right here, and let me show you what it looks like. So there's the area. I marked where the seam is here, right in here, coming out 17 feet, and then going up 46 feet until you hit, there's an area up there that has a patch job that was done once. It's easier to see on my picture that I took, but there's a 47 by 16 repair starting at that seam right there, coming out, and then up here lining up against the edge of the prior patch job that was done. I went up 20 feet and over 8 feet to the edge of the asphalt to do that repair, and that's right here on Southeast 67th Place. If you come up the road, the other patch is up here, up at buildings, or at a, what's the address? It's 6642 and 6626. So this one right here starts at the catch basin, which that's the only iron that you'll see on this. And I'll circle around, but it's basically taking out this whole drive aisle up until you get to this house here at 6628. Right at their concrete apron there, imaginary straight line going across. I'll turn around this little circular island so you can see how I drew this up. So, starting at this person's concrete apron there, right about there, drew a line across, and then we're going to take out this whole drive aisle area here, and that looks like this. Let me get that not so blurry. There you go. 74 by 29 feet and one catch basin down here. So we want to make sure we take the asphalt patch just past the catch basin, just to the other side of it, and we will remove and replace this. Let's figure the standard 3-inch depth on this, okay? And that's it for your asphalt repairs. They'd like to do the crack filling. They'd like to do the crack filling and the asphalt repairs. I'm sorry, just the crack filling this year. They want to do the crack filling this year, but asphalt repair, seal coat, and stripe next year. This is their main cabana at 6619. And you see they've got some parking stalls in there as well, and then that's asphalt to be seal coated. And then here's the only speed bump in here with 2 chevrons. So, there you have it. Like I said, I'll mark the areas where the stall striping is, so that way there's no confusion of where to locate that. And I believe there's somebody else in here bidding for the same scope of work. I saw a guy walking around with another lady, and the guy I met yesterday, I think I saw him walking over to meet those two. So, as a matter of fact, they're down there right now. He might have been here for this tree removal. They might have been talking about that, so who knows. Anyways, that's the scope of work here. Any questions, let me know. The crack fill is for 2018, and the asphalt repair, seal coat, and stripe is for 2019. Thanks a lot.